up, Q Squad? So today I am going to be doing a everyday makeup look, and I guess I could do like a little talk through for this video because I always do makeup tutorials and I do no talk throughs, but I keep it very simple. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. First thing that I do is I do my brows. I just like to have my brows look kind of neat, especially when I don't have them done. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. I just use a spoolie to brush them out, and I'll use a brow pencil or a pomade, but I'm gonna use a brow pencil today. And this is just the Color Mates eye pencil in black brown, which totally looks like a brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I just fill in my brows. They look a little crazy right now, but I'm going to use two different things to like clean them up. So I have this 2-in-1 foundation and concealer by iMove. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this here to put on the top of my brows to make it like look like my skin. And then I'm going to be using, of course, my Broadway's concealer here at the bottom of my brows to just like highlight. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the applicators that are in here. And sorry you guys, I am watching a TV show on my phone right now, so if you keep seeing me look over, that's why, because it's playing. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that and clean up these brows to make them look a little bit better. Okay, I'm just gonna use like this angled brush here. I'm just gonna use this. It's friendship. You commit to it. Do you guys hear that? Like, holy crap. I freaking hate thunderstorms, so I need to hurry up. See guys, this is what it looks like. Like, it looks so natural at the top. Like, freaking awesome. My son's calling. I know, I hear the thunder. Okay guys, so I'm back. Like, my son literally talked to me for about an hour, and my hair is different and everything. I took my hair out the ponytail and stuff. I threw on my glasses, but I'm gonna take these off to finish up this look. So the next thing that I'll just do is I will put on some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use this Diamond Cosmetics retractable liner here. I'm gonna use this. It's gonna be a little hard for me to do, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. Actually, you guys, I'm literally just going to use my LCD screen because the way I'm sitting, I don't have my table in front of me. So, yeah. We're just going to use the LCD screen here. And I always like to do a wing with my liner, just because it makes my eyes pop more, as you guys can see. Let's just go ahead and do the other eye. And half of the time my liner is not perfect, but what I do, it looks fine. I'm just gonna look in my mirror and see how it looks. Like, yeah, that looks good. So I just do that. And then most of the time I may or may not use mascara, but today I'm gonna use mascara and put this on my lashes. Okay, and I normally just do my top lashes. Then I would just take some type of highlighter. So I'm just going to use this LA Colors bronzer here. This is actually really pretty. Like, it looks just like a really good highlighting shade, so that's what I use it for. So this is the shade here, and it's super gorgeous, and I feel like it's gonna look natural. So I would just use like any type of highlighter, but I'm just gonna use this one today because I feel like it's gonna look natural. So I'll just place this where I would normally highlight. Let's see, it just gives me like that subtle glow down my nose. I probably should have put my hair back up, but you know, it's cool. So yeah. And I just do that to give myself some glow here. I can't wait to get a new chair. This chair is so squeaky when I move, and it's just so annoying. But then after I do everything else, I'll just take like a lip gloss, Carmex or something, like any type of lip product that I want to use for that day. Today I'm just going to use this clear gloss here. I'm just going to use this gloss on my lips. And this is pretty much what I would do for an everyday makeup look. Like, I have my subtle glow, I have my eyes looking popping, and I have my lip gloss. That's pretty much all that I do. So basically I skip foundation, concealer, contour, and I think that's it. So I skip only like 3 steps out of this whole process, and it just looks really like natural and just what I would do on a daily basis instead of having like a lot of makeup on. So this is the end of the video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys always subscribe down below if you have not subscribed already. Always make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Not gonna reach us from